All right, gang, what's going on? What's going on? This your boy Mike. Guys, we're just going to be going over some trading strategies that can help you guys with your trading. Last time we did a trade, guys, we went over um, some basic support and resistance, correct? So today we're going to be going over market structure. It's very critical that we understand the structure of the market. It gives us it lets us know where we are as far as positioning. Okay, so I'm gonna clear my chart. You guys just take notes. Watch this video over and over again, so you can get a great understanding of what's happening in the market. Okay, and I want you guys to also back test this, so that way you're learning and and progressing towards your trading journey. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna clear my chart. Let me just clear all this out. All right, guys. So when it comes to market structure, right? In terms of market structure, guys, when we see price moving like this, and guys, you can refer to the video Mello did in market structure. You can also refer to that video. It helps a lot. It's helped a lot of people in the group. You guys just take it seriously, okay? All right. In terms of market structure, on the uptrend, right? Price creates high lows and high highs. Price creates high lows and high high. Okay? Price creates high lows and high highs. High low, high high. High low, high high. High low. Y'all get it. But the price creates high low and high highs, guys. In the uptrend, we're always buying at the high low position. So at every high low position, we're looking to place a buy order. This is market structure 101. At every high low position, we are looking to buy. Okay, guys, we are looking to buy at every high low position. It wouldn't make sense to buy at the high position, guys, because if you buy at the high, you will be in drawback. You will be in the negatives. So we like to buy at the high low. It makes sense, all right? It makes sense. It's just common sense stuff, guys. But when you're practicing with me, guys, practice identifying your high lows and high highs within the market. We're going to do some real life examples in a real chart. I just wanted to show you guys the uptrend we buy at the high. When you guys get good, you can start selling at the high down to the high low, then keep buying. This is how the banks trade. The millionaire, the seven-figure traders, they get so good at identifying structure that they start buying and selling at each swing. But for you beginners, just buy at the high low, trade with the trend, do not counter trend. You guys have to get comfortable with identifying these structures to now where you're able to counter trend. So if it's an uptrend, buy with the trend. If it's a downtrend, sell with the trend, okay? So the question is, how do I know when price has found a high low? You remember when I talked about support and resistance in the last video? You see some supports. You see support starting to form on the high lows, right? You see support starting to form at the high lows. That will give you an indication that a high low is getting ready to form. So let me zoom in here for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. So guys, if we zoomed in here, right? So if this was our support level, If this was our support level in a high low, I am looking for a sell candle, seller's exhaustion. I want to see bearish candles exhausted. Why? Because when you see bearish candles exhausted, it tells you that it's not enough sellers to push this market down. Okay. And what do I mean by sellers candle exhausted? I need to see. So my sell candles are yellow, guys. Just give you a heads up. They're yellow. Let me make this a little darker. That's not good. Oh, okay. I guess you guys get it. But I need to see exhaustion. Right? Well, let me change this. Most of you guys, your sell candles are red. So let's keep it neutral. So I need to see exhaustion. You see long wicks, right? Letting you know it's not enough sellers to push this market down, right? It's not enough sellers to push this market down. So you guys pay attention to this. This is very, very important. You want to get good at identifying these support levels because now you can start understanding where in structure you're at. So right here, the hollows, you start seeing these type of candles, just a whole bunch of exhaustion. It's just real wicky, wicks. When you see a lot of wicks, guys, it just says exhaustion. Exhaustion. It's not enough sellers to push this market. So the only thing I'll be looking for, guys, this is basic. Only thing I'll be looking for around this high low is a bullish engulfing. A bullish engulfing. A bullish engulfing is when a bullet buy candle overlaps a sell candle, right? For beginners, this is how we're going to start now. Then on the advanced level, I'll teach you guys how to start entering your trades here at the wick. We call this sniper entries. We'll teach you guys this later on. But for right now, we got to take this step by step. But you're looking for a bullish engulfing at your high-low positions. This lets you know that buyers are in the market. Just this little part right here, guys. This little part right there, it says a lot. A lot of buyers are in the market, and it's getting ready to push the market up to the high. Okay. Now, how do we know when a high has found its position? Right? How do we know when a high has found its position? We need to see a resistance. A resistance, meaning I need to see bullish candles, right? I need to see bullish candles. It's the reverse of the high lows. And you see bullish candles with long wicks. Bullish candles with long wicks lets me know it's not enough buyers to push this market up. It's not enough buyers to push this market up. Okay, guys. I know my voice is a little monotone and low. It's because I'm actually working right now. So I work for the school, guys. So they cover my tuition. So I work for the school. So I have to keep my voice a little low. But you guys just turn your volume up. But on the high, you want to see buy candles. You want to see buy candles with the wicks. Okay, guys. Buy candles with the wicks. Guys, practice this stuff. Practice it. Practice it. All right. So when you guys get good at really counter trending, what you'll be looking for is a bearish engulfing, right? A bearish engulfing. A bearish engulfing indicates that it's enough sellers in the market to push this market down. It says it's enough right here. This little section says there's enough sellers to push this market down, right? This lets you know there's enough sellers to push this market down, and you'll be selling to a high low. When you find a support, when you get to the high low, you want to see this, right? When you get to a high, you want to see this. These are type of formations you want to see, guys. This is basic market structure, right? Basic market structure. So, but trade with a trend, at the high low positions, you want to look for seller's exhaustion with the wicks, bullish engulfing confirmation to buy. And on the smaller time frame, right? When I start teaching time frame correlation, guys, you break it down to a smaller time frame in order to take advantage of this, okay? But right now, just pay attention to this. Now, on a downtrend, you got our lower highs, and lower lows. Right? Lower highs and lower lows. On a downtrend, guys, we are selling at the lower high. It wouldn't make sense to sell at the lower low because it found support, right? So we sell at the lower highs where we see this type of formation, resistance. Downtrend, you sell at the lower highs. Do not counter trend till you get good at identifying market structure. Guys, this is the foundation of how GTI trades. This is how, in my early stages of learning how to trade, this is how I was able to make $1,000 consistently. But now with the new strategy, guys, we've taken it to a point where we can make $18,000 a day. Okay, so this is basic market structure. Okay, guys, look at it, screenshot this, take a picture. This is basic market structure. So usually you'll identify market structure on the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame. The bigger the time frame, the more pips you can gain within the structure. Okay. So, for example's sake, guys. Also, let's talk about when does structure change from uptrend to a downtrend, right? Structure changes from an uptrend to a downtrend when structure is broken. So structure is broken when on an uptrend, when the high low, right, when the next low position exceeds the high low, structure is broken. Okay. On an uptrend, when the next low position exceeds the high low, structure is broken. So structure broke right here. This red line says structure broke, right? It's a break of structure. Call this break of structure, right? So guys, just like the break of support resistance, right? If this was our support level, right? Break, retest, right? If you watch my support and resistance, break and retest, this is the retest. All you were waiting for was some type of resistance with a whole bunch of buyer's exhaustion to enter the market. But on the uptrend, anytime the next low position passes the high low, structure is broken from an uptrend to a downtrend. Vice versa. On a downtrend, anytime the next high breaks the lower high, right here, Structure is broken, right? So on a downtrend, anytime the next uh, high position breaks the previous lower high, structure is broken. I hope you guys are following me, okay? Structure is broken right here. So now all you be waiting for after structure broke is the what, guys? High low. Good job. I know you guys know this. High low, right? And once structure breaks, all you be waiting for is the high low, just like break of support and resistance break, right? Like I showed you, retest. How do you know it's found a high low? You want to see support with a whole bunch of wicks. Wait on your bullish engulfing. Buy. Hope you guys got this, okay? This is very, very critical. You got to know this stuff. I want you guys to back test this stuff, right? We're going to go over some of it so you can see. Look at this, guys. Just basic stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Look how simple this stuff is. With this simple knowledge, guys. Watch this. I don't know what's up with this. Watch this, guys. Lower high. Right? You follow me? Lower high. Look at this. Simple stuff. Lower low. Right? Look at this. Lower high. Guys, this stuff is simple. Right? Look at this. We got a low. It's an equal low. Right? It's an equal low. These lows are in the same plane. So we call it equal low. They're in the same plane. Now, guys, what happened right here? What happened right here, guys? Break of structure, right? Oh, my computer's acting crazy. What happened right here? Break of structure. You guys see this? Break of structure, right? And we created our what? High, high. So what are we waiting for, guys? A higher low. A higher low. A higher low. So if you guys have been practicing, we can identify higher lows at the last bearish candles before the up move. One could be here, right? We can identify possible high low right here, or right here, last bearish candle. This one, last bearish candle before the up move, right? So it can happen. It can happen. It can happen either here or here, guys. We're looking for. I see a nice little support here, but I'm not sure. I mean, this is a daily candle. It can come down here. We don't know, right? This is the sell mail called earlier. Nice 37 pips. It can continue down here before we get a buy position. So, guys, just monitor these areas. But this is a perfect example of a downtrend, right? A downtrend market structure. I want you guys to practice, 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 practice. I'm telling you, the more you practice, look at this, lower low, right? Guys, just understanding this concept. Look at this. Look how many pips. 83. Right? So possible right here. Guys, look at this. If you would have sold at this lower high, look at this. Look at the pips, guys. Over 800 pips. This 247 pips. Just understanding this. Look, if you'd have bought right here, double bottom, 900 pips, guys. Understand market structure. Market structure, guys. High, always buy at the high low, right? In the uptrend, sell at the lower high in the downtrend. Practice this, guys. I guarantee you will see success. Okay. Thank you.